What's up guys? Today is Tuesday and in this vlog I'm going to be showing you guys all things Christmas. So everything we've been doing in the past like week and a half that's been Christmas. I just wanted to compile it all into one little festive video, and of course I'm going to be vlogging Christmas Day because we have a really exciting day planned and a little nice gift exchange and all that. But today's vlog is going to be the preparations towards that. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the little things I bought for everybody. We also went to go see some Christmas lights, which was fun. We went at like 9 at night and then saw the stars, and the stars were like insane that night. I think it's one of the clearest nights I've ever seen. There was just so many stars. Every time we kept looking up, there was more. So we just like lied in the snow and looked up at the stars. Alright guys, so this is basically a Christmas video, just all things Christmas combined into one. Today's the 14th of December, so Christmas is so soon, in like 10-11 days. But I bought Jess and Cass their gifts, so I'm going to show you those. Jess, I got the same thing, this box, and then I also got her this like really soft blanket because when I first came to Banff we were looking for a blanket for her because she only has the shitty Staffcom ones. So hopefully she hasn't bought one since then, but you can never have too many blankets in the winter season, so I'm kind of jealous. I think I might steal it from her because she's moving in with us, so I think I might end up stealing it from her quite a bit. Alright guys, now I need to actually wrap it up. This is the hard part because I've always sucked at wrapping, so
if I ask you.
Alright guys, I got my gifts wrapped and it looks so cute. This makes me so happy. I can't wait for there to be like a pile of Christmas gifts going all the way up.
Saved my life.
We've come to see Christmas lights. Christmas decor looks so cute. You're so dark, I can't even see you. I like that tree.
See everything clear. Are we really happy here?
Guys, there's so many lights. It looks so cute. We wish we could steal some. No, keep walking. Guys, so clear tonight. My hair's getting in the way, but the stars are out. And it's so nice on a nice little walk because normally we're lazy pieces of shit and stay inside, but
Speak for yourself.
you always stay inside. Alright guys, so I finally got my Secret Santa gift tonight. So basically what I got is, here, let me show you. It's basically a little care package, 18 plus only. So we have a little Bacardi bottle shot and then a flask from Banff, Canada, so it could be a good souvenir as well, and then a huge ass coconut beer can. Why I bought this is because we were talking about doing like a drinking day on the ski hill where we have like some drinks, so you need a flask to bring that up. I just thought it was a funny idea, and then I'm putting it in this box, but we don't have any tissues, so we have a bunch of like plastic bags, so I'm just gonna like put it like this, you know, environmentally friendly. Instead of buying tissue and using up more stuff, we're just gonna use these bags. And then last night my housemate came back at like 11 o'clock and we were all watching a Christmas movie, and he's like, there's so much snow out, so we just all decided to go outside. We made a rail for snowboarding to go do some jumps during the season, and yeah, we just had fun playing in our backyard like 5-year-olds. So here's all the footage from that. Guys, it's literally 11:09 and we're all going outside to play in the snow because there's like so much snow that just that fell. So we're gonna go out in our backyard and play in the snow because we're 12. Look at all the snow. I just want to drop into it. Oh my gosh, it's so deep. I just want to like, no, it's gonna hurt my back.
Oh, let me try it.
Are you gonna do it? Go, Jose. Woo!
Oh, it's so good.
Oh my god, it's snowing so much.
Oh,
No, don't do that. Oh, I thought you were gonna blow it.
yeah. It's like salty. Oh, it's so good.
It's snowing so much.
Jessie, you're on the
you know. Just scoot it. And today we are going, we're gonna go take a walk to Bow Falls. We were supposed to go snowboarding, but it's been so busy because it's Christmas week. Christmas is in like 3 days, which is crazy. I can't believe how fast the time has gone. But yeah, it's just so busy at Sunshine and Lake Louise, so we were like, nah, let's not do it. So we're gonna go take a nice little walk at Bow Falls because there's so much snow on the trees. It's gonna be so pretty, and I'll bring you guys along.
When we wake,
It's like a winter wonderland.
hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
It wasn't deep at all. You should have jumped like straight.
But things are finally right.
Oh, you fucked up, man.
The future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Can you walk normally?
Even in the
Walking in a winter wonderland. Alright guys, so we're out here walking the Bow Falls Trail. Believe it or not, I've actually never been here, and I've lived in Banff for like over a year and a half. And now we have this pretty view. Not you. Look, it's Hogwarts. I don't know how I've never been here before. What's your thoughts on it? It's pretty nice, huh? Guys, this literally looks like Hogwarts. I feel like I'm living in a snow globe. So if you ever come to Banff, definitely do the Bow Falls walk. It took me this long to do it, but look how beautiful that is. I wish that was Hogwarts. This is how you have to get down in Canada. I'm not ready for my turn because I'm wearing the worst shoes possible. Thanks for the cinematic magic, the CGI.